Ackee and Saltfish, a main dish from Honduras. Serves 2. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Soak saltfish in warm water to taste. Step 2. After soaking saltfish, place it in cold water and boil. Step 3. Clean the ackees. Remove the seeds and all traces of interior red pit from the ackees. Step 4. Wash ackees 5 times. Cover and boil until moderately soft. Step 5. Drain, cover, and put aside. Step 6. Flake the saltfish and remove all bones. Step 7. Sautée thinly sliced onions and sweet pepper rings. Step 8. Remove half of the fried onions and peppers. Step 9. Add saltfish and the ackees and turn the fire/stove up slightly. Add black pepper. Step 10. Pour into serving plate and garnish with remaining onions and pepper slices. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.